everyone, this is Ayushi Verma from Investor Academy, and today I'm here on cryptoTV to discuss on the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart. We'll be looking at a lot of technical tools to see what the charts are telling us technically. So let's quickly start with the Bitcoin first. And currently, if you look at the market price, which is at 45,130. So in the past few videos we were talking about this thing that the price actually gave a breakout after this 45,000 level, but it was unable to cross or closes above the resistance level of 48,546 level. And we have seen from the past few days we are getting a kind of dozy formations, and that's a sign that yes, both parties, the buyers and sellers, both parties are present. And since the price was rising and the dozies are forming, so that we might get an indication that from there we might get a small correction in the price, and that happened exactly yesterday. The price actually fell down by slightly more than 3%, and today as of now we are getting a dozy, so not much momentum we can see. But let's see, by the end of the day we might get some momentum later in the day. So as of now the trend is uptrend only. RSI it was trading at around 70, and now the price is coming downwards. That's the reason the RSI is also slowly coming towards downwards, and it is at 58. Also, if you look at the moving averages, so 50 EMA is at 42,468, 100 EMA is at 43,369, and 200 EMA is at 44,792. Now the support and resistance levels are: support 1 is at 45,332, support 2 is at 41,211, resistance 1 is at 48,546, and resistance 2 is at 52,000 levels. Let's quickly move on to the chart. Okay, so this is the daily chart of Bitcoin, and you can just come to the current situation. Okay, now this was the resistance, important one, because the price is not able to cross this resistance. And you can see that for the past 3 days we were getting these dozies, and yesterday when we recorded this whole session, there was a dozy. But yes, this fall has happened later in the day, and this is what exactly we might get it today also. But one thing you can look at today is the price is actually taking the support of this 200 EMA. So now if this uptrend needs to be continued, if you see that this uptrend is sustainable one, is a long-term one, then you will definitely see that the price will hold this level. The price might not able to break this particular 200 EMA, and if that happens, you can see that this momentum which we have seen in the last few days, that might be not not a sustainable one. So that is something the price is at a very crucial level. One, because there is a 200 EMA. Second, there is a support level as well. Now this is something we just need to see today. By the end of the day, if there is a price momentum or not, whenever whatever the things are there, we might get a clarity on this thing. So this is how you can just look at the Bitcoin chart. And coming towards the Ethereum, almost the same situation we are getting it in Ethereum also. So currently it is trading at 3,275. Uptrend is there after there was a breakout, so the new trend has started. RSI is at 64. Now the RSI, if I'm not wrong, yesterday it was more than 70, but now the price is coming downwards. That's the reason the RSI is at below 60 levels now. Also looking at the 50 EMA, which is at 2,974, 100 EMA is at 3,082, and 200 EMA is at 3,155. Also looking at the support and resistance levels, support 1 is at 2,855, support 2 is at 2,581, resistance 1 is at 3,361, and resistance 2 is at 3,627. Let's quickly move on to the Ethereum chart now. Okay. Yes. So in fact, for the Ethereum, we were talking about this thing, yesterday the price was up, by the way, and when we recorded the session, but after that we have seen this good 3% fall, and the price was actually hovering around at this particular level of 3361. For the Ethereum, this level is very important, because if you look at here, the price reached to this level and there is a fall, and in the multiple times we have seen this thing. Maybe in the past we might get the same situation as well. Right. So many a times, we have seen that the price is actually either taking a support or resistance, and whatever is the case, the price is very nicely behaving on this 3361 level. Also, if you look at the moving averages here, so you will see that these lines are converging. So whenever it happens, you might see another trend confirmation from the moving averages that might come from this particular indicator. As of now, today there is a dozy, so we need to wait what can happen, and the price is slightly above than the 200 EMA as well. So for this, we might get a indication as of now by looking at the price action, or by looking at the candles, that this might be a correction, and then you will see that the price will start going towards upside again. But again, we need to see, because there are a lot of factors, lot of things that are that comes into consideration when you talk about the trading or investing into the cryptocurrencies. So this is how we are doing this kind of analysis every day. I hope you are learning something. So thank you so much for watching us.